Hi YouTube! Thank you for clicking on my video. In today's video, hopefully, I have the chance of showing you our arrival in Cancun and the transportation to our hotel, plus our room tour. The immigration and the custom process is actually very standard, but I do want to talk to you about setting up transportation to your hotel prior to your arrival. As you see in this video, the rep from my hotel is there holding my name, so it's very easy for me to find her. But if you do not have this set up ahead of time, it might cause you some unforeseen problems, because I was told by many others how rampant scams are being conducted at the airport. There are different types of scams, and it's very easy to fall victim to them. After we get into our van, the driver Aran took us straight through the downtown of Cancun. It was a lovely yet bumpy ride, but the blue sky, white clouds, and green trees were wonderful. After we pass through these iron gates, we are officially entering the complex of Playa Mujeres. The complex is a gated community, and they made us feel a lot safer. Within the complex, there are many other resorts, such as Beloved and Excellence, Finest, but our destination is Atelier. Before entering to the resort, we have to go through yet another security checkpoint where they check your name against the reservation. This just added another layer of security, which is awesome. Finally, we pulled up to the entrance of the resort, where the welcoming staff, who knows us by name, are waiting for us. With cool towels and cold drinks, they guided us into the main lobby. Isn't that a beautiful looking lobby? Now the check-in process is short and painless, and then the bell service staff showed us to our rooms, along with our luggages. Our room type is Junior Suite King Bed Ocean View, and our room number is 2436. The key to our door is a little black tag on the bracelet. You just need to touch it on the sensor to open the door. The label on the door means the room has been disinfected before checking in. The first thing you will see is a little hallway and then a luggage rack. And on top of the luggage rack, there is a hanging rod, or I used it as a hanging rod to hang wet or damp clothes, and that come in pretty handy. Next to it is a closet. You open this one, it has the safety deposit box. The other one, it has light inside and plenty of hangers, laundry bag, your ropes, slippers, irons, and ironing board with a full body glass mirror. Next to this, you will see your coffee machine, teacups, water, and when you open up, you will see the snack bar, which is replenished every day. Next to the snack bar is the mini bar. Within it, you will find Coke products, Sprite, Diet Coke, orange drink, beer, iced tea, and lots of water. Next to that, you will find a bottle of wine, courtesy of the resort, but this will not be replenished. It's just one-time deal. Now we will see there is a couch that will turn into a sofa bed. You will see a TV, which shows you all the information that you need to know about the resort. You can also download the Atelier Resort app, which will also have all the information you will need. This is our king-size bed, and on top of it is the air vents. Now I know everybody wants to see the view, so okay, let's go see the view. Let me open the balcony door It is very heavy. The soundproofing and the insulation is very good. As we step outside, we see the view for this room. There is a taco bar, limon y sol. There is the bar, swim up bar. And out in the distance is the ocean. All the way down there is Isla Mujeres. And then down this way, you'll see the golf course. And further down in the distance, the little tiny buildings, those are Hotel Zone. So we're that far up north, yes. If you look this way, the biggest piece of glass in the middle, that is the lobby. So you can have an idea where our room is in location to the pool and the beach. This is the ocean view room. That means in your room you do have a view of the ocean. If you want something where you open the door and nothing but the ocean, then you should book the ocean front. This is the ocean view. 4th floor, mind you. Down there you see the cabanas, the lounge chairs. The pool is magnificent. Now I know some of you must be thinking to yourself, the room looks kind of weird. The bathroom really taking up a lot of space, but if you look closely, those walls, the bathroom walls, is actually movable. Those are barn doors. So if you're traveling with family or friends and you would like some privacy, you can keep the wall closed. But as for us, we would like to keep it open to reveal a more open design. After you open up, the whole room looks more open. And see that standalone tub. That's a beautiful looking tub. And then you will see a double vanity, beautifully designed. And look at the product that they gave you. This product is called Molten Brown and is a premium brand, and they have their own shop in Soho, Manhattan. 150 ml of shower gel will cost you $85. And you get it right here, replenished every day. Hotel also provide personal hygiene products. Over here is a pair of a mask and hand sanitizer. They only supply this once in our stay, so I don't know if they're supposed to replenish it every day, but you can definitely request from the front desk if you do not have any. Here is a door for the bathroom if the walls are closed, so you can access through this door. Next to it is a beautiful bathroom. Look at the tile work. Everything was thought of. The design was great. Room feels clean and it's big enough for two. There is a rainfall shower head, and to the left is the toilet. So this pretty much sums up my room tour. Hope you guys liked it. I will keep on posting video every week, and following video should be about the food options at this resort, and they are marvelous. So hopefully you can keep on watching and join the family.